How to change date of birth in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gamers Tech. Today I am going to guide you how to change date of birth in Blockman Go. Changing date of birth in Blockman Go is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the game. Launch Blockman Go app on your mobile device. Go to your profile. Tap on your avatar or username to access your profile section. Find personal information. In the setting menu, locate the section for personal information or profile details. Edit date of birth. Look for the date of birth field. If editable, you can change it here. Save changes. After making the adjustment, ensure you save the changes. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change your date of birth in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.